We're at Salmon Gums and we're going to have a conversation here with a local resident. Tell me, what do you do in Salmon Gums? Okay, looks like you've got plenty of things to occupy yourself there. Do you like living in the roadhouse? You've got a nice house here, haven't you? This is the Salmon Gums roadhouse. That's the bedroom. This is the kitchen. Somewhere. Bathroom. The outdoor play gym. And this is downstairs. And this is the backyard. So if you've been to Salmon Gums Roadhouse, no doubt you know we are talking to the Salmon Gums head at the house, the blue boy. So today we left Esperance. We're continuing up here to Salmon Gums when we find it. There we are. You thought it didn't exist, didn't you? Follow the road up here to north, and we're heading out to Balladonia Roadhouse. The big picture, Western Australia. And to put it in the context of the world, there's Australia. And that's where we left Esperance, in Western Australia. And this is inside the Salmon Gums Roadhouse. Plenty of food, made fresh, plenty of drinks. Little dining room, jockey bars, sunglasses, petrol, you name it. Now if you thought Salmon Gums was a small place, it's Salmon Gums West. So it's the main road, goes right through Salmon Gums, primary school, fuel's $1.99 a litre, whether you buy unleaded or whether you buy diesel. And this is the Salmon Gums Roadhouse. It's the Team Triumph bikes parked out front, and a local wrecking yard. Plenty of flowers around the place, flower gardens, and a car coming into town. It will be a tourist. Tourist. Usually no English, and driving around Australia. Trucks over there, some have seen the end of their life. That's Neil Motors, and more flowers at the service station. So if you're coming north from Esperance, why not call into the Salmon Gums Roadhouse? There's even a job available there. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell us about roadhouses in your part of the world.